Alrighty guys, we're here at the newly renovated Holiday Inn Specs here in Evansville, Indiana. This place actually used to be a total dump if you look at Google Maps from like 2017. And look at this, we have a glass elevator to ride. Yes, we're going up. Yes, whoa. Look at this, we have a glass elevator here to ride. And no, this is not original to the building. I think this is added on in like the 80s. Look at that epic view of the Ohio River. Look at that. Wow. Anyway, here is 6. Let's go on to the lobby. Alrighty, here we go. This is definitely worth checking out. Here in the lobby. Yeah, this actually used to be total dumb. Alrighty, here we go up to 6. Here's 6. This came out really nice. The Holiday Inn did a really good job with this renovation. It came out really nice. Anyway, there's the floor indicator. ThyssenKrupp with these Mabius moon buttons. It's a really nice elevator cab. It's all wood. And yes, there's a certificate there. This came out really well. That's really cool. And that's the glass elevator at a 45-degree angle. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.